Hello, Rebels. Welcome to another episode of Rebellious Mastermind. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take a custom made desk and convert it to a skiff, or better yet, a sled for ice fishing, or it could just be a stuff for your backyard. But I'm going to try to convert this, and I've been wanting to try this. So, doing this with you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and let's get into it. Set and ready. I just gotta put a tie in the front to pull, and we should be able to test it out right now. All right, Rebels, so now is the moment of truth. We're gonna go on the snow, actually, in my backyard, and we're gonna try to test out this Smitty with all my ice fishing gear. We got my creeper, my drill, my ice auger, the handles. I got my skimmers, and I also got my fishing rods on there, my ice fishing rods. I got 2 of them on there, and my handle. And I don't have my bag, but that would go on there. So it'd probably be about, what, 25 pounds. I don't think it's gonna break anything, but we'll just test it out, see how smooth the Smitty rides on the snow with all my stuff. And let me know what you guys think about this Smitty. Alright guys, now that we know that this sled glides nicely on the snow and it does what it has to do, I'm going to try to ride on it with my weight at 200 plus pounds and see if it goes. Let's go. Yeah. It's going. Yeah, baby. Nice little hill. So subscribe, like, let me know your thoughts, share. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. And happy sledding and ice fishing. Peace out.